today I'm going to teach you how to make words using the letters we did last time. So let's begin. Here are the letters we did last time. Now, using these 4 letters, we're going to make words. So remember, in cursive, you cannot lift your pens. So in order to make this dash on T and this dot on I, you have to come back. So this is how you do. So let's say we have to write ill. So the spelling is I L L. I never lifted my pen, and then I made the dot after finishing my L. I didn't make the dot. I didn't do the dot and then start writing my L's. Instead, I finished writing L and then came back for I. Some other examples are red, little, tell, rabbit. You can get on Google and find as many words as you can which have I, T, L and E in them, and keep practicing. Just remember, the strokes are swing up, go down, swing up, go down. And do not lift your pen while writing those words. Come back for the dash on the T and dot on I. Okay. Bye for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.